Hi, RV. What's the current status of the facility power chain?
The facility power chain is operating normally. The only active maintenance activity is a lockout-tagout on UPSB2.
Can you send me visual confirmation of the lockout tagout?
I'm sending the latest field verification image now. I will notify you when it is complete.
Hi, RV. Removal of the lockout tagout on UPSB2 is complete. Can you update its status and inform all parties?
Here is the entire protocol. All steps for lockout-tagout removal were completed. I will inform all parties. Maintenance is complete. Lockout-tagout for UPSB2 has been removed, and it is fully operational again.